discuss about the business ethics in Islamic finance. The basic principles of the framework of Islamic finance include some ethical aspects which should be followed by those involved in any kind of financial activities. There are some ethical aspects which should be followed by anyone who are participating in any financial transaction according to Islamic perspective. First one is justice and fair dealing. There should not be any kind of injustice based on religion, gender, race, color, the region, and the dealing should be fair to everyone. So justice for all. There should not be any kind of discrimination based upon religion. One price for some persons from one religion and another price for the some persons from another religion. Such kind of discrimination should not be there. There should not be discrimination based on gender, race, color, the region, and it should be equal, and fair dealing should be ensured for all. Honesty and truthfulness. There should be transparency and honesty in financial activities, and should not hide any errors and defects in the subject matter. The products, there may be some defects in the products, or the products may be defective, some defectives in the products. So it should not be hide, and everything should be clearly communicate with the customer. So honesty and truthfulness is also a very important ethical aspects in Islamic finance. Prohibition of najish. Najish means overbidding. The deal which is finalized between two persons should not be hijacked with a bigger offer. That's also prohibited in Islam, and it is encouraged to avoid najish. Prohibition of khalaba, misleading marketing. The business communications and advertisement with false claims should be avoided. So Islam encouraged to not do any kind of business communications based on false claims. Safe delivery and removal of hardship. It is the responsibility of seller to exchange the product safely to the customer, to the buyer, without any hardship during the supply. So safe delivery of the product is also the responsibility of the seller. Fair pricing. Pricing should be fair in a way that does not disturb the market and customers. So the pricing should be in a way that it will not disturb the market's balance, and it will not disturb the customers during the time of monopoly and the crisis. Freedom from zarar, a detriment and harm. The product should be safe for all. The product should not harm the unsafe for, it should not be unsafe for customer, the society, and environment. Valid gains on investment. The product should offer some valid gains. Islam never permits immature spending on over luxury. So some kind of valid gains should be there in this exchange and in this contract. Transparency and documentation. Any contract of exchange should be documented, and the business, its modes and products should be transparent. So first thing is that the documentation, any conditions which comes in the exchange should be documented, and the modes, the product, the business, its modes and the product should be transparent. There should not be any kind of uncertainty.